let me show you how to delete your Facebook account. Now, if you're on Facebook here in 2025, almost 2026, and you wanted to delete your account, I'll show you how to do it. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, the first thing that you're going to do is, of course, open up the Facebook app. On your iPhone, Android, or computer, it works the exact same. We need to get to your settings. So you'll be able to see menu at the bottom right, or if you're on Android or a computer, it might be at the top right there. Now, next we'll get to your settings by scrolling down, tapping on settings and privacy, and then settings. From here, there are two different ways that we can get to your account deletion page. They constantly move it around, so I'll show you the manual method to get to it, but also the quick and easy way to just search for it. Now, the first thing we can do is hit See More in Account Center, and then Personal Details midway down. But again, if that doesn't work for you or you don't see it, you can always just search for deletion here. So just type in deletion, and it usually pops up. You'll be able to see I might need to scroll down to find the specific option for deletion. It's usually in the Personal Details here. Now, after you've gotten to that, you can see account ownership and control, and then deactivation and deletion. Of course, from here, we'll just choose the Facebook account. It will automatically default to deactivating, but we want to choose to delete the account instead and hit continue. Now, it doesn't matter what you choose here. You can just choose my account was hacked or I don't want this anymore, and then just hit continue. Now, it will permanently delete your Messenger account, and it will remove all of your information, your photos, posts, all of that stuff. So you might want to consider downloading that so that you don't lose it. After you've gone through this entire process, you can hit continue here, and then it will ask you for your password. Just enter in your password and hit delete. Keep in mind, after you do that, you'll have 30 days to be able to get that account back just by logging back into your account. I hope this helps. If it did, again, hit that subscribe button down below. That's the best way that you can say thank you. Thank you.